Hey everyone, let's talk about OSPF areas. OSPF, or Open Shortest Path First, is like a super smart map for your network. It helps data find the best way to travel. Now, OSPF uses areas to organize the network. Think of areas like different neighborhoods in a city. Each area manages its own routes, making the network super fast. Areas are like traffic controllers, making sure data flows smoothly. OSPF has different types of areas, each with a special job. The most common is the normal area. It handles all kinds of routes. The backbone area, or Area 0, is like the main street connecting all other areas. Stub areas are like quiet neighborhoods. They only keep routes within their area and a default route. Totally stubby areas are even simpler with just one default route. Not so stubby areas, or NSSAs, allow some outside routes. Totally NSSAs are a mix of NSSAs and totally stubby areas. Setting up OSPF areas is easy. You turn on OSPF on your router and tell each connection which area it belongs to. For example, to put a connection in Area 0, you'd use the command network IP address, subnet mask Area 0. Big networks often use different routing systems. OSPF can work with others like BGP and EIGRP. To connect them, we use something called route redistribution. It's like teaching one system the routes from another. To share OSPF routes with BGP, you use the command redistribute OSPF process ID in the BGP settings. For EIGRP, it's redistribute OSPF process ID under EIGRP settings. When sharing routes, it's important to use filters. These filters prevent confusion and make sure only the right routes are shared. You can use route maps to filter and tag these shared routes.